How long does it take to master an instrument? You might see ads on the internet saying that you can learn to play in just a few lessons or in just a few days. But I think you know, and I know, that that's not completely accurate. So, how long does it take to learn to play piano? Hi everybody, CJ here. How long does it take to learn to play piano or any instrument? It's a good question to ask. The question implies that there's a destination, but there is no destination because music is a journey. It's not a destination. The experts say that it takes 10,000 hours of focused practice and training in order to master any skill. However, you don't need to focus on counting hours. That's not how it's done. Right? Through understanding that music is a journey, then you focus on enjoying the journey. I started playing music, piano, when I was 11. Started playing gospel music in church because I was inspired by other gospel musicians and choirs, and I wanted to do what they could do. I used to pray every night for God to miraculously allow me to play piano. When I wake up tomorrow morning, I want to be able to play. But that's not how it works. It was a journey. 2 years after I started playing, I was able to actually start playing in church for the choir, doing the thing that I wanted to do after just 2 years. 5 years, and I was a professional musician. I was playing in function bands, and I was getting paid. I was only 16 years old. But from 11 to 16, I played regularly. I played all the time. I played every chance I got. Sure, I studied, sure, I practiced, but mostly I played and enjoyed. I went to Berklee College of Music when I was 19. And that's when I started learning music theory. When I was 11, I started traditional lessons, learning middle C and all the rest of it. And then when I went to Berklee, I started learning more about chord function and modern harmony and all the rest of that. So at 21, I felt like now, after all of this playing, I had been on tour. I spent the whole year on tour. I had played with so many different bands and function bands, played in hotels, solo piano gigs, weddings, all sorts of functions, all of that after 10 years. I was like, wow, I could play. Like it dawned on me one day, ooh, I could play. But then it also dawned on me, I've been playing all this time, right? There is no real destination, because since that point, I've continued to learn, I've continued to develop. I've played in even more, diverse events and bands and environments. And there's always more to learn. There's always a horizon to reach. You never get to the end point. So don't worry about the experts talking about 10,000 hours and all that nonsense. How long does it take to learn to play piano? It's completely up to you, whether it's piano or any instrument. The main thing you want to keep in mind is just to enjoy the journey. Have fun. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.